Hey guys, welcome to Hard Academy number 4 for Fopa class in pre-algebra. Sorry this recording is so late. I had to rush out of school today to go to my daughter's first Girl Scout meeting, and I totally forgot that I hadn't recorded this before I left school. Typically, these will be recorded by the end of the day and posted no later than like 4:30 p.m. So hopefully you didn't have any problems with this, but just in case, I still want to just make sure that this is out there, and so that you have no worries about this. And also, if you bring in the assignment half done or even late, I'll be very forgiving of that, because I just want to make sure this resource was available to you. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Again, I'm going to do half your problems. So there are 10 problems, so I'll do 5 of them. And I'm going to start with the first one. So remember, today we were doing order of operation except nested parentheses. Again, nested parentheses means that you have 2 sets of parentheses. Here is the first set, and then this one is the second set, if you can see right here. So what we'll do first is, I'm actually at home right now in my daughter's room. This is my daughter Katrina, and so you can say hi. This is for my class, Katrina.
Hi.
You say, hey. Tell me we don't look like. Look. That's my little girl. I was talking about her earlier today, so you guys see that's my little chicken nugget. Okay, but anyway, here we go. Something you need from me?
I'm just getting my homework.
Okay. Look, she's about to do her homework. It's 8:04 p.m. and we're just getting home for today, so we had a lot going on. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do is the inner set of parentheses. This is what we call the nested parentheses. Do this first. So I have 5 plus 4, which is 9. Now, don't forget that this exponent 2 is right here. Now, let me go over here for a second and put the rules of the PEMDAS. Remember, parentheses, then exponents, then we'll multiply or divide, whatever we see first, then add and subtract. So the parentheses, that's what we're taking care of. And now we see we have an exponent, right? So 9 times 9, remember that's not 9 times 2, it is 9 times 9. So if we do this, that's going to equal 81. You're still in the parentheses. So you have 81, bring down to plus 7. So really what you have is 81 plus 7. That gives us 88. Now I'm going to bring down, right, what I have left. Okay, so if you look at what we just did here, we just did the first set of parentheses, right, which was all this. The outer set of parentheses, which was this, okay, which was the plus 7. So that's how we got to 88. Now all we have left to do here is bring this down. So I have minus 4 squared. So no more parentheses. I do have another exponent, though, which is right here. So you got to take care of that first. Remember, this is not 4 times 2. It is 4 times 4, which is 16. Right? I would like to do my arrows. Bring down what you have left. So really what you have is 88 minus 16. And, right, 88 minus 16, you have an answer. This should be 72. 88 minus 16. Final answer for number 1, 72. Okay? All right, so now I'm going to go over to number 6, actually. So this is your outer set of parentheses. See that? And then your inner set of parentheses, which is right here. Okay? So remember, we'll start with the inner set. The inner set is this. So again, following the order of PEMDAS, P, E, M, D, A, S. Okay, so here we go. So following the order of PEMDAS with the inner set of parentheses first. All right, so I'm in the parentheses. What do I do next? The exponent, which is this. Remember, that's 4 times 4, so that's 16. I'm going to go ahead and bring down everything else. 12 divided by 24. Multiply or divide, whatever I see first. I see division, don't I? 24, we're going to 12. 2 times. Remember, you can use a calculator for this part. And then, I'm looking at myself in the video. I'm looking down because I'm trying to squint at my small computer screen. All right? And then, so that's 2. Bring down this part. I can add or subtract. 16 plus 2, that's 18. Boom. So all that was an inner set of the parentheses. So let me change my color so you can see it easier. Now all I'm going to do is bring down what's rest, which is the outer set of the parentheses, which is that plus sign and the 7 square. And basically I start over with my PEMDAS. No longer, I'm in the inner set of parentheses, so I'll do that. And then the exponent for this one is 7 times 7, okay? So if I go to my 7 times 7, and you know me, I don't know my facts, 7 times 7, I have 49. So this is 49. Okay, so I did my multiplying, dividing. Now add or subtract. And I have just addition left. So 49 plus 18. My answer here, 67. Voila. Let's go try next one. I'm going to go down to number 2. Okay. Here's your inner set of parentheses. Following PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. We all know how I say in class. All right. So the parentheses, inner set, exponent, which is 2 times 2, 4. Bring down everything else from this inner set of parentheses. Okay. Multiply, divide, whatever I see first. I see it as division. 5 goes into 15 3 times. Bring down everything else from the inner set. Add or subtract. 4 plus 3, 7. All right. So now I just bring down what's left over, and that's the outer set of parentheses, which is just this. So plus 7 squared. So basically start over. Outer set of parentheses. The exponent, 7 times 7, which we said was what, 49? So that's 49. Bring down to plus 7. There is no multiply, divide. I just have add or subtract, which I know is to add. So I should have 56. So this answer right here for number 2, 56. So remember, always feel free. You can stop, rewind, go back, and check this out again if you need to. Perhaps I did something wrong with my math. It'd be great if you can figure out if I did something wrong. Sometimes I go faster than I should. And let's try next one. Going over here to number 7. There's my inner set of parentheses. Put my PEMDAS back up. Here we go. Okay, inner set of parentheses. 9 plus 2, 9, 10, 11. Bring down the rest from the inner set of parentheses. I do have an exponent. 5 times 5, not 5 times 2. 25. Bring down what was left from the inner set of parentheses. You'll see I have 25 plus 11. That's 36. Boom. Okay, there's no multiply, divide. I did see the add or subtract. Now bring down the rest from the outer set. Okay. So I got that part here. Okay. Or that part was from the outer set. Okay, I see it. So 9 plus 2, there's 11. Boom, that completed your first inner set. Then the outer set was the 5 square. That 5 square is 25. Added to your 11, that gives us 36. Outside of the parentheses is the plus 18. Okay? So this answer, we should have 54. And there we go. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do one more. Here we go. Here's my inner set. Maybe I'll do 2 more. I got plenty of time on this video. Here's my inner set. See that? Okay. Inner set, 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6, that gives us 4. Outer set, change color so you can see it, is this. You have to do this first. Because remember, you have to do exponent first. So that exponent is right here. So that's 4 times 4, right? Which is 16. Okay? And then, I'm going to erase this arrow out of the way so it doesn't look like a check mark or anything, but you get what I'm saying. That's 16. But remember, you still have this. So that's plus 10. 16 plus 10, as you know, is going to give us 26. Okay? So I'm going to have to erase this because I don't have room. But realize all that, hopefully you're still following me, is 26. All this together is going to be 26 for both sets of parentheses. The inner set gave us 4. 4 squared gave us 16. 16 plus the 10 gave us 26. Now you can add on what's left, which is the outside, which is this. So you have your 8 plus the 26. This answer should be 34. Okay? Now just for kicks, I'll do one more. And let me roll up the screen so I can have a little bit more space. I'll do number 8 for you. Here we go. Please excuse my dear old Sally. All right. Inner set is 7. Now let's go for the outer set, which is all of this, including the 2. So 7 squared. 7 times 7, 49. Don't forget you have this in that outer set. 49 plus 2, 49, 50, 51. Right? And now all we have to do is put this plus 13. So 13 plus your 51, this answer should be 64. Answer number 8 should be 64. All right, so hopefully that helps you out. And as you can see, what happens is because when you start memorizing the order really well, you don't have to follow along with check marks, because you will all of a sudden remember what to do naturally as it comes first. But if you need to write PEMDAS down and use it as a check system for every single problem, then I suggest that you do that. And that's the way I'm going to keep practicing in class. So hopefully this video helped you out a little bit. Hopefully it's not too late. And I will also send out an email when this is done uploading so that parents know that it's there, just in case if you might be struggling a bit. All right, guys, thanks a lot for being patient, and I will see you tomorrow. Parents, I'm still going to be contacting you this week, catching up with everything, but classes are going well. Love the kids, and I'm having a great time at Commonwealth Academy, and I hope your kids are too. See you tomorrow. Bye.